So far we have studied the different terms related to K-map, and those terms are implicants, and then non-prime implicants, then prime implicants, then essential prime implicant, essential prime implicants, and non-essential prime implicants. We have gone through the sign of all these implicants, how we can identify whether it is an implicant, whether it is a non-prime implicant or prime implicant, or essential or non-essential implicant. Just by taking an example of K-map, I will clarify these things. Suppose I placed AB in the row and CD for the column, so it will be C bar D bar, C bar D, CD and CD bar. This will be A bar B bar, A bar B, AB and AB bar. Suppose one in this K map are positioned in this cell. These are the cells in which one is available, and in rest of the cells zeros are available. Okay. If somebody wishes to form a group, maybe he is not correct, and he form a group of these two ones. So this is a non-prime implicant. Why? Because we can form a bigger group. Bigger group in the sense means we can form this biggest possible group. So this group is called, the implicants are called prime implicant. This is non-prime. Non-prime means it can further be simplified. It can further be grouped. There are adjacent ones available, and this is a prime implicant or non-prime implicant. These two ones together with these two ones, they form a quad. This way, this is the prime implicant, and this happens to be non-prime implicant. Okay. But what about this one? This is not the neighbor of any other one. So this cannot form a group with any other one. So this is itself a prime implicant. This is itself a prime implicant. Now I think it is clear to you that what is prime implicant and what is non-prime implicant. Now what is essential prime implicant and non-essential prime implicant? essential and non-essential prime implicants. I will simply show the squares just to save the time. These cells only. Suppose one are placed like this. So how can we form the groups? And group that incorporates the maximum number of ones. The maximum number of ones means the output should contain the minimum literals. Maximum group will result into minimum literals. This is the biggest available group. Then this is the biggest available group. Any harm? Then this is the biggest available group. Okay. This may also be a prime implicant. This, suppose this I say to be the prime implicant number 1. This I say to be prime implicant number 2. This I say to be prime implicant number 3. What about this? This is a non-prime implicant. Okay. Why? Because it does not contain any fresh one. Okay. A group must have at least one fresh one. Okay. Now let us take some more problem, some don't care problems, and suppose if I draw a truth table A, B, C, D and Y. Y is the output. This 0 0, okay, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 1, and going this way you may say that it goes up to 1 1 1 1, and you may say that these are the mean terms M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6. Now better to identify the input by this way: M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, M14 and M15. Okay, inputs are now identified in this way. So for M0 the output is don't care. M0 output is don't care. Then for M1 it is 0, for M2 it is 0, for M3 it is 0, for M4 it is 1, for M5 it is 1, M6 it is 1, M7 is don't care, and then M8 is 1, M9 is 1, M10 is 1, M11 is 0, M12 is 0, M13 is 1, okay, M14 is 0 and M15 is don't care. This is the output, say. This is M0, M1, just to relate the terms, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, M14 and M15. Now if suppose I wish to map these min terms or product term in K map, and this K map is like this: CD is mapped in the row side and AB is mapped in the column side. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, this way. So naturally this will be 0 1 2 3, okay, 4 5 6 7, okay, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. These are the cell positions. These are the cell positions. Okay. Now where there are one in this cell, M0 is don't care. Then 1, 2 and 3, they are 0. 4 is 1, 5 is 1, 6 is 1, okay. 7 is don't care, 8 is 1, 9 is 1, 10 is 1 and 11 is 0, okay. 12 is 0, 13 is 1, 14 is 0 and 15 is don't care. Okay. Now how can we minimize this K map? To minimize this kind of K map, which comprises of ones, zeros and don't care, then we will start with any one. We will start minimizing by taking 1 as the starting point, and we will see which one or don't care is never of this. So this one, this don't care and this don't care are not only with this one, okay. This will form a different group. Rather, first I should approach the biggest group. In very first attempt I should approach for the biggest group, and this is the biggest group incorporating one and don't care. But essential condition is that there should be one in the group. Don't care cannot initiate forming a group. Don't care is 0 or 1. We are satisfied if we get 0 or 1, but it can be treated as 1 if and only if other ones are available in the group. Okay. So this is one of the prime implicant. Then what about other? What about other? This may form a prime implicant. This may form a prime implicant. Okay. Now, is there any other possibility? Is there any other possibility? If somebody says that, is it correct? No, because this group don't incorporate any fresh one. Is it correct? No. So don't care will come in the group if it incorporates a fresh one. Okay. So always keep these rules in mind while solving any problem. So we will start solving some problems, some smaller problem, and we will realize all those outputs using NAND gates. So let us start solving some problems based on 2 variable and 3 variable maps. You have to design in your laboratory full adder, half adder, parallel adder, and in all those designing you will use K-map for designing. BCD to 7 segment decoders, okay, encoders, multiplexers, demultiplexers. In all those designing you have to use K-map for minimization, and you will show that minimization steps in your copies. So let us start with very simplest problem, that is two variable functions. Suppose we have a function f is equal to a bar b bar plus ab. This we need to simplify using K-map. So for this I need to draw a two variable K-map, b on this side and a on this side. So a can take two forms, okay, a bar b bar, 1 over here, and ab means 1 over here. What are the prime implicants in this? Is it possible to form any bigger group? No. So this is one of the prime implicant and this is one of the prime implicant. So naturally the f will itself be a bar b bar plus ab. So it is not possible to reduce this, and we have to design this circuit like this, okay. Suppose if we have to design this circuit using NAND gate, then what is the way? You take a signal line corresponding to A and a signal line corresponding to B and form a inverted line like A bar and B bar like this, okay. And then what will you do? Pick up a line from A bar and B bar and apply this to AND gate, then A and B and apply this to AND gate, and then this output is applied to the OR gate. But the problem is to design this circuit using NAND gates only. Then simply what we will do? We will replace all the AND gate and OR gates with NAND gates, okay. So very simple. Replace this AND gate with NAND gate. Replace this AND gate with NAND gate, and OR gate also is replaced by NAND gate. These two circuits, they are equivalent. They will provide the same output on the application of same input. So after this point we will design all the circuits using NAND gates or NOR gate. So let us design a three variable function f equals to a bar b bar c plus a bar bc plus abc plus abc bar. How can you map this? Taking A this side, this will result into A bar A and B on the column side. So B bar C bar, B bar C, BC and BC bar. So where should we map these min terms? A bar, B bar, C means here it is 1, then A bar, BC, here it is 1, then ABC, sorry, this is A, no? ABC, this and ABC bar, okay. Now just to minimize this, if somebody is thinking like this, he may be wrong. Why? Because this is a wiser thought to encircle these two ones like this, and in this situation this will become non-prime implicant. non-essential prime implicant. This is prime implicant, but it is not essential. Okay. So let us stop over here.